Hi friends, today we are making Vietnamese-style microwave Cochinita Pibil lettuce cups. This is worth making because you get achiote red, citrusy pulled pork with lemongrass, fish sauce, and crunchy carrot daikon pickles, all without turning on the oven. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 50 minutes from start to finish. Ingredient walkthrough: 1 1/2 pounds boneless pork shoulder gives us the rich, pull-apart texture that makes this feel like an easy Cochinita Pibil. 3 tablespoons achiote paste bring the classic earthy color and flavor that nods to Cochinita Pibil. 2 tablespoons Vietnamese annatto oil deepen the red-orange color and add a gentle toasted seed aroma. 1 stalk lemongrass, finely minced, gives the pork a bright Vietnamese citrus fragrance. 3 cloves garlic add savory depth so the quick microwave sauce still tastes rounded. 1 shallot, thinly sliced, melts into the sauce and brings a sweet onion note. 1/4 cup orange juice gives sweetness and the citrus lift we want with achiote pork. 2 tablespoons lime juice sharpen the marinade and balance the richness of the pork. 2 tablespoons fish sauce make the pork deeply savory in a very Vietnamese way. 1 tablespoon brown sugar helps the sauce turn glossy and gently caramel-like in the microwave. 1 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the pork from the inside out while it marinates. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper adds a warm bite without overpowering the lemongrass. 1 cup shredded carrot brings sweetness and crunch for the quick pickle topping. 1 cup shredded daikon keeps the pickle crisp, juicy, and refreshing. 1/4 cup rice vinegar gives the pickle its clean tang. 2 teaspoons granulated sugar softens the vinegar so the pickle tastes balanced. 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the carrot and daikon pickle. 8 small butter lettuce leaves become fresh, crisp cups for serving the warm pork. 1/2 cup cilantro leaves adds a fresh herbal finish right at the end. 1 red chili, thinly sliced, gives the finished cups color and a gentle heat. We begin by making the quick pickle so it has time to soften. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup shredded carrot, 1 cup shredded daikon, 1/4 cup rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, then toss well and set it aside for 20 minutes. While the pickle rests, we build the microwave braising sauce. In the clear microwave-safe casserole, add 3 tablespoons achiote paste and 2 tablespoons Vietnamese annatto oil, then mash them together until the paste loosens. Now that the red base is smooth, stir in 1 finely minced stalk lemongrass, 3 minced cloves garlic, and 1 thinly sliced shallot so the aromatics are evenly coated. Next, pour in 1/4 cup orange juice, 2 tablespoons lime juice, and 2 tablespoons fish sauce, then stir until the marinade looks glossy and pourable. To finish the seasoning, stir in 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper until no dry patches remain. Now add 1 1/2 pounds boneless pork shoulder cubes to the casserole. Turn the pork until every piece is coated in the orange-red marinade, then let it sit for 15 minutes at room temperature. After the short marinade, spread the pork in an even layer. Cover the casserole with its vented lid, leaving a small opening for steam, and microwave on high power for 6 minutes. The pork will start releasing juices now. Carefully lift the lid away from your face, stir the pork from the edges into the center, cover again, and microwave on high power for 5 minutes. Now that the sauce is bubbling, reduce the microwave to 50% power. Keep the casserole covered and cook for 8 minutes so the pork can braise more gently. After that gentler cook, uncover carefully, stir again, and spoon the sauce over the pork. Cover and microwave at 50% power for 6 more minutes, until the pork is tender and reaches at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit in the center of the largest pieces. Once the pork is safely cooked, keep it covered and let it rest for 5 minutes. This pause helps the juices settle and makes the pieces easier to pull apart. Now shred the pork right in the casserole with 2 forks. Pull the cubes into rough strands and toss them through the red sauce so every bite stays juicy. To concentrate the flavor, microwave the shredded pork uncovered on high power for 3 minutes. Stir once halfway through so the sauce thickens evenly instead of drying at the edges. While the pork finishes, drain the carrot and daikon pickle. It should taste tangy, lightly sweet, and crisp enough to cut through the rich pork. Now set out 8 small butter lettuce leaves on the white oblong platter. Choose the strongest cupped leaves so they can hold the warm pork without tearing. Spoon the glossy shredded pork into the lettuce leaves, dividing it evenly. Keep a little sauce in the casserole so you can finish each cup with extra shine. Finally, top the pork with the drained carrot daikon pickle, 1/2 cup cilantro leaves, and 1 thinly sliced red chili. Spoon over the reserved sauce, and that last glossy drizzle closes the cooking. Here is the payoff: Vietnamese-style microwave Cochinita Pibil that is bright, tender, saucy, and fresh enough for lettuce cups. The achiote and annatto bring that deep red color, while lemongrass, fish sauce, citrus, and crunchy pickles make it feel lively and Vietnamese. Serve it right away while the pork is warm and the lettuce is crisp. If you enjoyed this microwave shortcut, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy home cooking.